This video shows how to buy shares of ID Logistics SAS, listed as IDL.PA on Euronext. ID Logistics is a contract logistics company operating automated warehouses and distribution services. This is an educational guide only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically by uploading a government ID, and add funds before you can trade. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker IDL.PA to find the listing. Confirm you locate the IDL.PA result that corresponds to ID Logistics SAS on Euronext. Open the asset page to view basic company information and the price chart. Double-check the issuer name and ticker to make sure this is the correct stock. Click Invest or Buy, choose the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at the next session, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio page. Check the description for the example link if you want to explore the broker used in this demo.